Last month, this banana cost 1 coin. Today, the seller wants 3. What happened? Across the whole jungle, food keeps getting pricier, and every monkey family is feeling the squeeze. Today, we explain food inflation simply by visiting a jungle that runs on bananas and coins. Meet the jungle economy, where monkeys grow, trade, and buy food using round banana coins. This is Mika, a young monkey who does the weekly food shopping for her small family. Each week, she buys bananas, mangoes, and nuts, the everyday food her family needs to live. But month after month, the same basket of food costs more and more banana coins.
When prices for most things rise over time, economists call that simple, steady change inflation. Food inflation just means the prices of things we eat are climbing faster than before.
So Mika's coins now buy less food, and that quiet shrinking is what worries families most.
At the market, merchant Pongo sells fruit, and he sets prices based on what things cost him.
Up the hill, farmer Banu grows the bananas, tending his trees through sun and heavy rain.
And in the great tree, the coin keeper decides how many banana coins the jungle uses. Food travels a long path, from Banu's farm, along vine carts, to Pongo's busy market stall. Every price is really a balance between how much food exists and how many coins chase it. When bananas are plenty and coins are steady, prices stay calm and Mika's basket stays affordable.
But the jungle changes, and when that balance tips, the price on every banana tips too.
Pongo points to 4 reasons, 4 forces that quietly push the price of food upward. Let's walk through each force, one at a time, and watch how it moves the banana price.
Force 1. A harsh storm floods Banu's farm and destroys many of his banana trees. With trees damaged, Banu harvests far fewer bananas than the hungry jungle actually wants this season.
When food is scarce but everyone still wants it, sellers can charge more for each banana. This is a supply shock. Less food arrives, so the same coins now buy a smaller bunch.
Force 2. A big jungle festival arrives, and suddenly every monkey wants bananas at once. Mika feels it instantly. Her usual bunch of bananas suddenly costs 2 extra coins this week.
Crowds rush Pongo's stall, all waving coins, all hoping to grab the very same bananas. When many buyers chase few bananas, sellers raise prices, because eager monkeys will still pay them. Strong demand meeting limited food is the second force, quietly lifting prices across the whole jungle.
Force 3. Moving food costs more, because the vine carts and carriers need feeding too.
Banu also pays more for tools, water, and helping hands, so growing each banana costs more.
Every higher cost along the path is passed down until it lands on Mika's final price.
Force 4 lives in the great tree, where the coin keeper decides how many coins exist.
If the jungle makes far too many coins, but bananas stay the same, each coin buys less.
More coins chasing the same food simply lifts every price tag, like water raising floating boats.
Mika's family now buys smaller portions, choosing carefully which fruits they can still afford each week. Often these 4 forces push together, and that is when food inflation feels truly painful. With more coins spent on food, the family saving jar fills far slower than it used to. Food inflation hits poorer monkeys hardest, since food already takes most of their small income.
But higher wages can lift costs again, and prices and pay end up chasing each other.
Workers then ask for higher wages, just so their coins can keep buying the same food.
The coin keeper watches closely, because steady, gentle prices keep the whole jungle economy healthy. So the coin keeper slows new coins and makes borrowing them a little more costly.
When borrowing costs more, monkeys spend a little less, and rushing demand slowly begins to cool. Over time, the storm passes. Banu replants his trees, and the next harvest slowly grows larger.
But cooling demand also slows the jungle, so taming food inflation always carries a real trade-off.
Vine carts roll smoothly again, and more bananas reach Pongo's stall at a steadier, calmer pace.
The coin keeper keeps coins balanced, so coins and bananas grow together at a gentle pace. With supply and coins back in balance, the banana price settles, and Mika's basket feels lighter.
The lesson: food inflation is simply the balance between how much food and how many coins exist.
Now Mika understands her rising banana bill, and prices feel less mysterious and far less scary.
If this made food inflation clear, explore more jungle economics stories here on Econ in Plain Sight.